Alright, I'm going to go over setting up the blog page and how to make some posts and all that stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is create a page and call it, whatever you want, but let's go ahead and call this blog. And let's publish it. And let's go ahead and add this to our menu just so we can navigate to it easier. And then let's go under settings and reading and make sure your front page displays are set to a static page and your blog is going to be a post page. So just select that under post page, blog. So it's really easy. Static page and then post page is blog. So now let's go and view our site and let's view our blog, and it is already set up for us. And I actually have a couple posts already, and this is just because I created the homepage video, and you can see that video if you want to see how I created those posts. But don't worry, I'm going to create some new ones for us. So let's go ahead and first create a post. Let's call this one sample post 1. And it's just like the portfolio, you just upload an image and you're going to set it as a featured image. So it's this text link right here, use as featured image. And then we can close out of the lightbox and you'll see how it shows up right there. And we'll click publish. And let's go and view our blog now just to see how it's been created. So that featured image will automatically be formatted properly for us and everything looks nice and dandy. Let's go and just add some content goes here. And I actually have some filler content I'm going to toss in there. Let's go and update our post and see that again. And you'll notice that the homepage is pulling in everything. And the way you cut it off is really easy. It's called, if you hover over it, there's this break thing right here. And if you hover over it, it says insert more tag. So you just click it. And it puts this in right here. It's called more. So if we update it, it'll cut off the content wherever we put it, and it'll add in this continue reading. And then in the home page, in the post page, it'll display everything. So it's just kind of nice to have that. You see it right here. So then wherever you added it in, so if you wanted to actually add it in somewhere else, like right here, you just hover over, and then under our blog, see how it pulls in there and it cuts it off right there. So let's go and add another post. Let's call this one video example. Let me actually just grab this Vimeo embed code. And it's really easy. It's the same embed code as our portfolio, and same for YouTube and Vimeo. You just grab the embed code. You don't have to worry about any of the formatting. You just paste it under Vimeo embed code right there. And you can delete these P tags. Just make sure it's just iframe to iframe. And let's go ahead and publish this. And all the formatting, just like our images, gets done for us. Let's go ahead and add some content goes here. Let's add our insert more button right here. More content below. Ta-da. And then we have our 2 blog posts. So it's very easy to make your blog and add different options like video or images. And you can add categories, you can add tags, so sample tag. Let's go and add one. And that's where you see this tags thing right here from the live preview. That's just tags that you can add right here. That's all built into WordPress. So the last thing I wanted to go over was the page template. Let's go ahead and add another one. It's called blog with columns. And if you select the page template blog with columns, let's view it. And it is a blog with columns. And this is the one we use in the live preview, and you don't need to do any of this settings reading stuff. It's all done automatically. And that's just if you want to have a blog with columns instead of the single one. And the theme options for this are located under the portfolio, has a few. See this note right here if you want to have infinite scroll. And then the way that you adjust the post per page is under settings and reading. So if we wanted like 2, we can do so there, and you get 2.